Hello friends! Welcome back to our channel. Today we are going to discuss about ATC 102 RS-232 to TTL converter. Here is the unboxing of ATC 102 converter. It is the best choice of a remote control device or point-to-multipoint communication bus. On top, we get user manual. With that we get compact disc. And here is the RS-232 to TTL converter. ATC 102 interface converter can send the signal RS-232C serial port data, TD, and receive data, RD, into TTL/CMOS compatible electrical level. Like this, we can open this easily. It can be directly from the data within the RS-232 port transmitter data, TD, request to send, RTS, or data terminal ready, DTR, to obtain power. Here is the connection instance figure. With products are widely used with the electric power, industrial control, telecommunications, commerce, banking, insurance, security, smart cards, and other industries, production and sales of the products of the company, supporting complete, cost-effective, timely and thoughtful service. Features: DB9SP space-saving connector. RS-232C data interface fully compatible with PC. DB9 connector and terminal are optional to TTL interface. Automatic direction control of transmitting data, TXD, zero latency design. Working mode, asynchronous communication. High efficiency serial port electricity stealing technology, need no external power supply, real 3-line, TD, RD, GND, mode communication. Communication speed, 0 to 115.2 kbps. Transmission distance, 0 to 10 meter 24 VAWG. Technical specification. Interface, compatible with the EIA/TIA RS-232C and TTL/CMOS standard. RS-232, TD, RD, GND. Working mode, point-to-point or point-to-multipoint, asynchronous communication. Direction control, automatic send data line control, automatic identification and control data transmission direction. Baud rate, 300 to 115.2 kbps automatic detection rate of serial port signals. Transmission distance, TTL side 10 meters, 19.2 kbps. Connector, RS-232 DB9 male, TTL, DB9 male or 6-pin terminal block. Power supply, without external power supply. Equipment from RS-232 port TXD, RTS, DTR signal for power supply. Power consumption, static power consumption within 10 mA, dynamic average power consumption of 40 mA. Housing, plastic shell. Weight, 0.45 kg. Dimensions, 88 length, 33 breadth, and 17 height. Operating temperature, -20 to 70 degrees Celsius. Storage temperature, -40 to 85 degrees Celsius. Ambient relative humidity, 5% to 95%, non-condensing. Standards and certifications, RoHS, CE, FCC.